Right, what we've got today, the GSXR1100, 1986, so it's the first. It's coming at a starting issue, was the carburetors. We got to put a clutch in it. What I found when I took the old clutch off, that's the new bit I got, it was breaking up. So we found a second-hand one anyway. It's got a leak in the sump, and I think it's the there's been a repair on the drain bolt, and I think that's where it's leaking. But I've got to take the sump off to see if I can find the bits of that clutch. So I've got another sump, bolt's all good, that's great. Here's the clutch. Oh, I changed that, that was leaking, slave cylinder. But these bikes, I'm in heaven. Great they are. It's a 1052, 125 brake horsepower, weighs 197 kilos and capable of 155 mile an hour. But we wouldn't know about that, would we, Jeanette?
No.
We used to go to the shows and see these with great glee in our eyes. But these will bite you. You know, it's quite a weak frame. But it was a great time, the 80s. Things, every year it was moving on. And if we go to the extreme over there, that's an OW01. Very expensive bike, only 500 made. I think these were 121 brake horsepower. They weighed 187 kilos, I believe. Lovely bit of kit, but if you look at this chassis to the GSXR, there's only 3 years between these bikes, and at that time, every year they were coming out with it. You know, you had the RC30, they made 3,000 of those. The OW, there was only 500 made, so it's quite a rare bike. Arguably the RC30 is the better bike, but I just love that. And I've got the joy of playing with it. Thank you.